Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Fink, and in today's video I'm going to talk about many things what has happened this week, because this week it was amazing for crypto, to be honest with you. First of all, I'm going to talk about that XRP is not a security. I think this is very important. It's also relisting now XRP. Kraken, Coinbase relisting XRP. So on top exchanges, they're getting back. And then we had BlackRock CEO Larry Fink saying that crypto will, transcend any one currency. He's getting more and more bullish about Bitcoin and crypto. And then we have Europe's first spot Bitcoin ETF, ICE 2023 debut after a long 1 year delay. And now it looks like this year it can actually start. And well, we had the CPI data coming out also this week, which is better than it was in May. So the June was 3%, which is going closer to the target of the of the Fed. So and so many abbreviations. And then we have the SEC accepts BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF application. This is a signal regulatory review. So officially they have started it. So guys, all these things in today's video, because we had a very important week this week. And now I'm doing this kind of weekly summaries while I'm here in Bali on my holiday with my family for 1 month. I'm spending the whole July here, and I'm keep doing the short videos for you, so you can keep yourself up to date. But once a week I'm going this longer video. Then in August, when I'm back to the office, I'm coming back with the daily longer videos as well. So now let's do it. So first of all, when we're looking at the market, we can see here that Bitcoin actually it's quite steady compared to a week ago, 0.13%. Bitcoin didn't go that much up this week. It was rather about altcoins. And we have here Ethereum going up 3%, but XRP this week gain is almost 60% on the day when the news came out. I'm going to talk about in a second. XRP went almost up 100% in 3 hours, but then of course it dropped. There was a hit resistance level, now let's see the top gainers. Obviously XRP. Then we compound with 49%. We have Stellar, very similar to XRP, 37% up. But look at these cryptos. Solana about 30% up. Polygon also now 15%. Cardano also went up. So altcoins this week did pretty well, and now there is some correction going on, but it's a very important thing what just happened. The losers, do we have any losers? Well, eCash and the Bitcoin copies, Bitcoin SV and Bitcoin Cash, they are the ones which actually went down recently. Okay, and now let's move on to the Bitcoin candlestick chart. As you can see, Bitcoin is holding itself very well above this support level, which is around end of 29,000, very close to 30,000. So Bitcoin is still above 30,000. This is very important. And maybe, after going a lot of sideways, if you don't break down, we go up as usual. But now so many bullish news are out there, so it can easily happen that even in this year we can see very nice results from Bitcoin. But I'm not talking here necessarily all-time highs, you do know that, but maybe reaching higher and higher levels, then that could be pretty nice. The halving is coming up next year, and this is the really bullish catalyst for Bitcoin, what's happening after the halving. But so many great news are happening now. So now the big guys are accumulating, we can see, and they do it so far already. Doing it already. Okay, now let's move on to the first topic, and the first topic was this. This was massive. We could see, I remember I woke up, because now we're here in Bali, that was during the night, and when I woke up I see it's like, whoa, what the heck happened? All the olds, everything went up, and this is because XRP is not a security. This is, the judge said officially on the 13th of July. it's not a security, but only in regards of programmatic sales on digital assets exchanges. So if you buy and sell on cryptocurrency exchanges, that's totally okay. However, the SEC also managed to notch a victory of its own, as a federal judge has ruled that XRP is a security when sold to institutional investors, as it met the conditions set in the Howey test. So when we're looking at from the institutional side, when you sell it to institutions, then it's a security, but otherwise it is not. And this is very important because the SEC said about 68 cryptocurrencies, altcoins, that they are securities, Solana, Cardano, Matic, Polygon, you name them. And now it was a huge relief for them as well, because that's the reason why they went up so much now, because if they couldn't win against XRP in the last couple of years, the case was on, then probably whatever they're saying now is just not enough against the others, and this was definitely a big relief. Okay, so this was major this week. And also ripple effect. Coinbase and Kraken among exchanges to relist XRP. Big guys saying, okay, XRP can come back, and that also helps a lot for XRP right now. Okay, let's move on to the next topic. This is also very interesting. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, a couple of years ago just said bad things about Bitcoin, and now he's saying basically that crypto will transcend any one currency. It's going to transcend any one currency. He's saying it. BlackRock is massive. We do know that they started now with the handling the application of the Bitcoin Spot ETF. They handling around 10 trillion worth of assets in US dollars, and now it's very strange what's happening, to be honest with you. But he is starting to be one of the biggest promoter for Bitcoin. Larry Fink. Things changing now. So with the big support from them, probably Bitcoin will do pretty well. Okay, now another one. When it comes to Bitcoin Spot ETF in Europe, you can see here that Europe's first Bitcoin Spot ETF, exchange traded fund ETF, is set to debut later this year, actually, after a long delay. Bitcoin ETF by Jacobi Asset Management, a London-based multi-asset investment platform, was set to debut on the Euronext Amsterdam exchange in July 2022. But we had all these things: Terra ecosystem collapse, then we have the FTX collapse, so it was forced to postpone the listing. But it looks like this year it is going to happen. Another thing very important this week, that inflation is going down. The new CPI data came out and it's 3%, so the target is getting closer and closer. What the Fed is aiming for, 2%, and we know when we reach that, it's going to mean money printing as usual. So yes, this is probably coming up. And what else? Oh yeah, this was all about the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. So the SEC acknowledgement indicates that the commencement of the official review process of BlackRock's ETF proposal. So now they really start to get into it officially. That's also came out this week. I think these were the most important ones. Oh, by the way, the former CEO of Celsius, I just remember now, Alex Mashinsky, was also arrested. There are now also criminal and civil charges against him. So that case also moving on. A lot of things happened this week in crypto. XRP being not a security. This is definitely a major one, guys. I will be back with short videos pretty soon, and during the whole week then I'm going to do a summary. But from the 1st of August I will be then back in the office with the daily longer videos as well, but I keep you here on my holiday also up to date. So I wish you an amazing day, week, holiday, whatever you have now in summer. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.